What's up, Jasmine? Hey, hold on. Good morning, YouTube. It is Tom, Slaysh, Knotek. It is about 6 a.m. on what I call Wakeboard Wednesday. If anybody follows me on Instagram, I've been pretty consistent on posting content on Wakeboard Wednesday, mostly all videos. I don't post a lot of pictures. Trying to get in the habit of doing more of that, at least screenshots for you. But yeah, we got little Jasmine. You know, they say something about waking up early. Geniuses wake up early. It's when the mind starts rolling and stuff. So I woke up this morning. I'm going to do an outline for a documentary I've been talking about for the better part of a year. And good morning to the gram. It's Wakeboard Wednesday, so stoked to be alive as usual. Hey, I'm gonna shoot some of the first like tidbits of my documentary. Some people call it The Last Slaysh. I don't know what it's gonna be called, but it's a documentary of wakeboarding and the journey through my life. So if anybody would like to come out to Quest today, I've got a couple friends that will be out helping with it. I'd really just like to, anybody that's been around me that would like to say anything about me, or I don't know, I might have some questions for you. I'm doing an outline this morning. Hey, it'd mean a lot to me if you could make it out. If not, no worries, but I will be out at Quest ATX today, most of the day, probably till like 7 o'clock, I would say. So once again, happy Wakeboard Wednesday. I'm gonna post a little story clip, some iPhone clips, and peace. Hey, what's up, little girl? You wanna go outside? One more air? Need some air? Jesse. Hey, baby. Come on. Jesse. Come on. Good girl. So basically, a notebook from my first outside sales job. It's completely full with notes and stuff, trainings, just things I wrote down. But most, I noticed the back sides are blank on all these pages. So I was kind of like, what better thing to do than being in Austin, be green, flip it over, let's write on the back the outline of this documentary. And yeah, I got Krispy Kreme. Yeah. Not trying to support corporations. Yeah, I'm eating with a fork. Lady asked me, she tried to push me towards decaf. I think I got too much energy, guys, but dude, the energy, I'm just trying to channel it, you know, take it to, you know, the main goal. Let's spread this sport. Let's spread the positive energy. Simple. Be back in a second.
You should go now. Run. No, I won't leave you here. We can run together. Listen, if we run together, they will shoot us from behind. We both die. So, how's about you here? They will kill you. No, don't worry about me. I will help them. I want you to promise me to survive, to take this message for our country.
I was about to run out here, but I just find it interesting. You see that little cat in there? She loves clean clothes. I guess I'll just leave her in there. I'm not gonna close it or anything, like not that cruel. And then she'll probably be there when I get back, my guess. Well, I'm back. Title of this vlog is not gonna be tips, treats, and whatever, but I'm back because it worked. And I'm gonna make it short. I'm gonna get them and drop them off someplace. And yeah, the rest is gonna be, you know what happens with the cookies. So we are here at Ski Dock. I just dropped off one set of cookies. So the other set, you might guess where they're going. I don't think everybody got a cookie at Quest last time, but Ski Dock, they are the Centurion MB Boat Supreme Correct Craft is the umbrella they fall under, just like Knotek here in Austin. So I'm trying to talk with Steve Present. He is a very well-known character in the wakeboard industry, and he's a great guy. I met him, and I want to talk to him and see if he has any other ways he can help navigate me, anybody he knows, or just kind of build that relationship with him. So I missed him, but we're gonna get him soon. And this is when the day gets good. You know it. We at Quest ATX, and I'm gonna get back to you in a second and get in or get closer. It's a long dirt road. So here we are, making it finally into Quest ATX. You know what the deal. And some more cookies. Yo, cookies. So I hope everybody gets a cookie.
No way.
There's a dozen. There should be not a dozen employees here. Cookies. Everybody always loves cookies. So, hey, Mike, what were you saying a second ago? All right.
All right. Matthew McConaughey.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
These are two of the sickest shredders at this
Hey
park.
Tom, I'm underage. I need a release waiver that my parents need to sign for me to be in your video, so please do not film
And
me.
that's Bo. He's gonna be a professional UFC fighter. So yeah, we got Mary Catherine, Mary Jane, also known as, and then we have Mike. And Mike today is gonna get a backlip.
Transfer to back.
Transfer to backlip on the transfer box, and maybe a tantrum, maybe like a backflip type thing.
Maybe.
We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna be the coach, so good luck to them.
Hey, wait.
Seriously. In the meantime, let's take a look for that wallet, man. You want to start looking for that wallet? What do you think? No?
I think my wallet's under the kicker, and we're gonna go look. And
We're getting the scuba gear on.
no,
time,
we're
dude.
going
It's
straight.
time, man.
We're going straight. What I got on right now.
Welcome to the tutorial station. My name is Tom Slaysh, Knotek, and we have Mike, the weather reporter, right here. He usually gets you the forecast.
Yeah.
What's the forecast looking like today?
A little bit of humidity, not too bad. Probably about 42-43% humidity. About
Really?
in the 90s, 95 degrees. Real nice.
That looks like green in the Doppler right there, dude. Is that rain coming? No rain, no chance?
Only gonna make it rain on the features, honey.
Okay, we're gonna keep the features wet. So,
Transfer box.
you can do the backboard.
Yeah, transfer to back lip.
And you have the back 50-50.
We got the Zeech Master 5000 going on. Yeah, that's about
And
it.
and we're working on the back lip. He's got a pretty good base for you. Almost got it right now, sort of. He's working on it, zeeching it.
Yeah. First, only one cable toe, getting it around. I'm at about a 45. Need to go full 90.
So my suggestion, I know we talked about this a little earlier, but hey, going back to what is obviously get over the rail, maybe later edge is what I'm seeing.
Late edge.
Late edge, just like you're doing a backside 50-50, and then basically just turn the handle a little bit. Do you turn the handle when you go?
Yeah, throw it
Turn the
back.
handle down.
Yep.
Yep, make sure you keep your head to your lead shoulder so you're still looking where you're going.
Yeah.
Poke that big out. And then, yeah, you're gonna ride away, man. You got it.
Yeah, dude.
I'm gonna go film it.
Sweet.
You okay with that? Good day to be looking for a wallet. Yeah.
Safety of the Bluetooth, and I literally
Back to 50-50.
serial killer. Not on purpose though.
Is that?
It was on a feature going up the safety, and I freaking ran over it.
Oh my god. Let's see if I can. Oh yeah. Getting risky. Yeah, you got it, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, man, he's trying to get way on that nose. Dude, yes, yes! How stoked are you right now on 1 to 10, with 10 being most stoked?
11 and a half, how you doing? Probably.
Yes.
Never done that before in my life. I've been wakeboarding for a lot of years.
Can you?
Scared to go backwards, but finally went backwards.
Dude, you're having a good time already. This is unisex, right? So I could ride this.
I don't know,
Right, that's what I heard.
but I have 5 to 7 foot.
That's good. So basically, this is what you're gonna want to do on the trick. I don't know how to get this all in the frame. So what we're gonna do on the trick is do like an edge in like your normal, like jump off the kicker where you push.
Okay.
So increase the edge as you get closer to the kicker, kind of get more on the edge as you get closer and harder.
Okay.
Then flatten off.
Okay.
And if you have questions, let me know.
Okay.
So flatten off, and then pull your backhand off when you get to the kicker.
Yep.
Make sure you don't pull it in, keep it still out there.
Okay.
And then you're gonna push and throw your chin up, throw your head backwards off the top of the kicker.
Okay.
Don't pull your arm in, I'll keep saying that, and you're probably gonna land it first time.
I don't think so. I'll try.
No, you're gonna get it. Like, see, she stops and she flattens off. Yes! Yeah! So, what's up, everyone? It looks like the day is about finished. I had to run out of there. It was sick to see Mike get that back lip. Definitely a highlight of the day. He killed it, and with some battle scars as well. Looks like he might take a break tomorrow. And then Mary Catherine, she definitely got better rotation on that tantrum than yeah, she had when she started. So everybody kind of progressed a little bit. If y'all like it, subscribe, just comment on what you're thinking. You can be straight up with me, less talking, more riding. I don't care. I mean, we'll get riding in it. It's just this is a vlog, I guess. So, but anyhow, y'all have yourself an epic night, and yeah, I will catch y'all soon.